In the pages of our tale, a story unfolds. Two hearts entwined, a love that never grows old. With every glance, with every touch, our bond deepens. It means so much. Through the highs and lows, we'll stand together strong in this love story, where we both belong. This is our love story, written in the stars, two souls united. No matter where we are, in every chapter, in every line, our love will endure for all of time. Through the laughter and the tears, we'll face it all. Together we'll rise whenever we fall. With every dream, with every wish, our love shines bright like a guiding fish.
It was a warm July afternoon when we first crossed eyes. I saw you standing by the riverside, summoning your smile. You spoke to me, a breeze of laughter, so pure, so bright. Like a page from a story, but everything felt right. We walked for hours, talking about dreams we dared to keep. Underneath that bright sun sky, a bond began to see. You reached for my hand, and suddenly time slowed. That's when I knew this love was something bold. It's our love story, written in the stars so high. Through every sunset, every whispered goodbye. From the first hello to the fire that grew. This is our journey, just me and you. We traveled the world, two hearts on a quest. From city lights to country roads, we never seemed to rest. Through rainy days and stormy nights, we held each other tight. In laughter and in quiet moments, everything felt right. But love's not just easy, we had our share of fights. Yet every argument brought us closer, strengthened our heights. We learned to grow, we learned to forget. With every stumble, we learned what it means to truly live. It's our love story, written in the stars so high. Through every sunset, every whispered goodbye. From the first hello to the fire that grew. This is our journey, just me and you. We built our home, not from walls but from trust. Each day a new adventure, love's the only thing that's just. We've seen the world, and we've seen ourselves too. In every reflection, I still see you. Through the highs and the lows, the laughter, the tears, we faced every challenge, conquered our fears. No story's perfect, but ours is our own. Together forever, our love has grown. Now here we stand, after all we've been through. Wiser, stronger, with a love so true. The years have been kind, though time tried to flee. But our bond is unbroken, our love never swayed. Through every adventure, in all the moments we chase, your love is my home, my heart's favorite place. And as the sun sets on yet another day, I love to you and I'll always. Our love story, written in the stars so high. Through every sunset, every whispered goodbye. From the first hello to the fire that grew. This is our journey, journey, just me and you. So here's to the future, to all we've yet to see. A love story still unfolding, as wild as it can be. Hand in hand, through the years ahead, we'll continue this journey wherever we'll live. No ending in sight, just more to explore in this love story forevermore. So let's keep writing and let our hearts soar. Together always, this love is our core. Journey, just me and you. It's our love story.
city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. again.